wish I could chill with you right now, but I gotta make this video. See you soon. Yo, what up? It's your boy Ace to the Boogie, and I'm coming to you with another review. Now today I'm reviewing the Nike woven shorts. And you might be like, man, didn't you do a video on the Nike wovens? And I did, you're right. But they were so tight, I had to do another one, man. I got some new colors in, so I gotta show you what they look like on body, the new colors, you feel me? And guess what? I got them on sale. So yeah, let's get right into it, man. First bag is coming from, this was Foot Locker right here, man. This is a Foot Locker pickup. Let me open this up. Let's see what we got. Ooh, yeah. Okay. Ooh, this is interesting right here. Okay. Now remember, these are all mid-thigh length. So that means it's going to be above the knee. Okay, so just keep that in mind. But right here, we got the turquoise. And if you look right here, man, we got these almost like an aqua type of drawstring, the flat strings. We got that same coral, I guess, whatever you want to call it, for the Nike symbol right there. I really like these. Now, I didn't know that this was this pinkish coral color. I thought that it was white, but you know what, we gonna roll with it. So right here we got the pockets. Pockets have that mesh lining on the inside, which kind of gives it that swimming trunk feel. You know, this is an inside look at the mesh. Gives you that inside feel, like you could go in a swimming pool. We got the tag right here, 45 bucks, man, $45. And I told you I did get everything that you see. I got on sale. So retail was 45 on these. I paid, I believe it was 35 on sale, and then I had like another 20% off. So I'm not sure what that came out to, but this is a good pair of shorts right here, man. It's the perfect time to buy shorts like this, because for one, summer's already over. So now you're getting those sales, you're getting those good deals. And in Cali, it's always hot enough to throw some shorts on. So yeah, we got two back pockets, man. Got the back pocket right here. Oh, actually one. Excuse me. Then we have the little rivet right here on the back pocket. So if you do happen to jump in the pool or in the jacuzzi with these on, the water will come right out. And I have got these wet before, some of my other pairs, and they dry pretty quick. Like, they're pretty much similar to swimming trunks. So I am gonna try these on, throw a little something on so you guys can see what that looks like. All right, we got the next pack right here. Okay, now this is a true story. I got these off of eBay, and they came all the way from Portugal. I'm not sure if you can catch that, man. But when I'm in search of a good deal, man, I'll go wide, far, however long it needs to take. Like, these took about 10 days to come, but I couldn't pass up on the deal, man. I got these for $25. These are 25 bucks, man. And the color I hadn't seen in a while, so I said, let me go ahead and grab these real quick. We got the royal blue. We got the royal blue right here. We got the white drawstrings. This right here is a standard fit, but these are also Nike woven shorts. So when you see the inside, it has that same material. Size medium. This is a standard fit, so it's going to be a little bit more spacious than the above the knee cut. But when I wanted this this color at this price, I said I got to do it, man. This reminded me of like the Dodgers, maybe the Kansas City Royals, and you can't really go wrong with the royal blue colorway. We got the Nike sign right here. This is more of a rubberized Nike symbol. Look at the back right there. We got the rivet in white, so it gives you a little contrast on that one. Got the back pocket. White drawstrings, got that all mesh inside. I will be trying these on so you guys can see how these fit. said anywhere, I really meant anywhere. This is from a place called Size ? Now I know it's probably like a way that you're supposed to say it, but I'll show you a picture. This is just Size ? But I found it online. These are actually from the UK, and the deal, these were 13. I want to say no, not 13. $15.99, and then with the shipping was $13. So it still came out to under 30 bucks. So that's a win for me. Let me open this up. And it's a big box for some just for some shorts. Let's see. Okay. Oh yeah. Yeah, they wasted a lot of paper on this, man, but I ain't tripping. Here we go. The yellow pair. You gotta have the yellow pair, man. Here we go. Nike wovens in that yellow. Hello. Here we go. I mean, I really wanted these. One, because the Lakers won the whole joint. So I could see this going with like a Lakers type outfit or something like that. But another reason is you can never go wrong with a color that stands out. And yellow is always going to stand out. Here we go. Got the tag right there. These were retail for 45 bucks. Always got to get the deal, man. I'm going for the deals every time, man. But yeah, this is a really nice pair of shorts, man. We got the yellow colorway. Pretty much standard as the other ones. You got the Nike in white. You got the drawstrings flat in white. The back, you got one back pocket with the rivet for the water right there, man. Yeah, I really like these. These right here I found at the Nike outlet store. This is also a medium. These retail for $50. The 3-color retails for $50. This is more like a, I wouldn't say navy, but like a really light navy. Then you can see we have like a dark Carolina, and I wouldn't call this white per se. I would put this more of a off-white. Let's go off-white on that. But these are a really nice pair. I got these on sale for, I believe they were $30, but then they had like an extra 20% off. So, you know, I had to grab them. They have the white lining on the inside. Back pocket. You see the contrast right there. You got the pocket with the rivet, which also matches this stripe right here. There you go. But yeah, I'm going to try these on for you, man. My recommendation, get them now, get them while they're low. Get that deal while you can get that deal. Because by next summer, next spring, you're going to be like, dang, I wish I bought them shorts. And now you're going to be paying full price. You might even have to pay resale for certain colors, man. Concludes my review of the Nike woven shorts part 2. I appreciate you guys watching this video. Please give me a like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. It's your boy Ace to the Boogie, and I'm out.